Okay. Actually, in Euler's method, there are three methods. One is just Euler method. Okay. Euler method. And then improved Euler method, second one. Improved Euler method. And the third one is modified Euler method. Modified so there are three methods in Euler. So now we are discussing the first one, using Euler's method to solve numerically the equation y dash is equal to x plus y, where y of 0 equal to 1 for x is equal to 0, 0.2, 1. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Is actually dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. So x plus y equal to f of x comma y, and the y of 0 equal to 1. So 0 is x naught, that is y of x naught equal to y naught. So x naught equal to 0 and the y naught equal to 1. And here this 0 is a starting value, this 1 is the ending value. This value is a h, it is a common difference. So 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. Okay, check your answer with the exact solution. So y dash is equal to x plus y. Here f of x comma y equal to x plus y. Okay, here it is given what is x naught, what is y naught, what is h. Okay. Next we should use the to find the values of y when x is equal to a point 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. But even though it starts from 0, where okay, even though it starts from 0, when x is equal to 0, we know y value is 1. We know y value is 1. So it is better to start from x is equal to 0.2. Okay, so x naught equal to 0, x1 equal to x naught plus h is equal to 0.2. Similarly, x2 equal to x1 plus x1 plus h, 0.2 plus 0.2, 0.4. Similarly, you can get x3, x4, x5. Okay, now we need to find y when x is equal to x1, x2, x5. That is, we need to find y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 corresponding to the value of x1 to x5. So y1 means y of x1. Similarly, y5 means y of x5. So value of y1, that is y of 0.2, we are going to calculate y of 0.2. So the formula is what? Yn plus 1 equal to yn plus 1 equal to yn into yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. Substitute n equal to 0. So substitute n equal to 0, y1 equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So we know that y naught is 1, h is 0.2, and the x naught is 0, and the y naught is 1. And we know that f of x comma y is x plus y, x plus y. F of 0 comma 1, that is f of 0 comma 1 equal to 0 plus 1. So 1. So 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2. The same procedure for y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay. Just I will explain quickly the remaining values. So y2 equal to, now substitute n equal to 1 here. We'll get y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. This is the first step. So y1 is 1.2, h is 0.2, f of x1 is I think yeah, x1 is 0.2. You can check it. X1 is 0.2 and y1 is 1.2. So now 1.2. Only thing you should find the value of f of 0.2, comma 1.2. So that means you should add these two values. That is 0.2 plus 1.2 is 1.4. So 1.4 and simplified, get the value. So the remaining thing, I think there is no need to explain to you. So just you can replace n equal to 2 in the Euler's formula, and you can easily get it. Y3, Y4, and Y5. Okay. So now to find the exact solution, the question they are asking the exact solution also. Okay. Y dash is equal to x plus y. This is a given differential equation. So dy by dx is equal to x plus y, or you can write this is dy by dx minus y equal to 1, which is a linear differential equation, in y. So as you studied in the second semester differential equation, this is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay. Here p is minus 1, q is x, p is minus 1, q is x, and the integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. P is minus 1, so e power integration of dx is x. So you have minus, integrating factor is e power minus x. The solution of this differential equation is the dependent variable. The dependent variable is here y. Okay, into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power minus x is equal to integral q. Q is here x into integrating factor e power minus x into dx plus c. So integration of x into e power minus x dx. Use Bernoulli's formula for integration. So you use the Bernoulli's formula. The third semester in Fourier series. Okay, x into, you should keep x. Okay, this is u, this is v, this is dx. So I think you know the formula of uv dx. So Bernoulli's formula u v1 minus u dash into v2 minus plus u double dash v3 minus and so on. So keep u, if you integrate e power minus x minus e power minus x minus, if you differentiate x, you get 1. You should integrate e power minus x including this minus sign. Then you get minus of e power minus x into minus 1, so plus. So minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x. Okay, plus c. Okay. So you can check it. Here also you have minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. So left hand side is what? Left hand side is y into e power minus x. Right hand side is minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. Throughout divide by e power minus x, you will get y equal to minus x minus 1 plus c by e power minus x, or y of x is equal to minus x minus 1 plus c into e power x. So this is the solution of the differential equation. To find the value of C, I am going to use the initial condition given the question. So what is the initial condition? Y of 0 equal to 1. Means when x is equal to 0, y is 1. When x is equal to 0, y is 1 means, so y equal to 1. Here x is equal to 0, minus 1, C e power 0. So e power 0 is 1. So C equal to 1 plus 1, that is C equal to 2. C equal to 2. Okay. Now substitute the value of C equal to 2 in 1. Okay. So y of x is equal to 2 into e power x minus 1. So I got y of x. But in the question, already we numerically we got the value of y of 0.2, y of 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and then 1. So now substitute y equal to 0.2. And using calculator, should check, you should find the value of, later you can check it. Okay. And similarly, y of 0.4, substitute x is equal to 0.4 and get this value, and 0.6, 0.81. So now should write here the values of x 0, 0.2 up to 1. Exact values. Just now we found exact values. Using Euler method, we got the values. So what is the error? So error means you should find a difference. Should find the difference. 1.2428 minus 1.2. 1.5836 minus 1.48. Similarly, you should subtract from exact minus Euler. Okay. So this is the error in the solution. Next method, improved Euler method. Okay, so to solve dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, subject to the condition, initial condition, y of x not equal to y naught. So improved Euler formula. So you should remember this formula also. The previous one is easy to remember, but there is no other way. You should remember this formula. Yn plus 1 equal to Yn plus h by 2 into f of xn comma Yn plus f of xn plus h comma f of xn plus h. You are adding h here, and you are adding h, and then you are multiplying by f of xn comma Yn. Okay. So where n varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So using improved Euler method, find y at the x is equal to 0.1, and y, and find y again at x is equal to 0.2. So you should find y at both the values, at x is equal to 0.1 and x equal to 0.2. Okay. Given dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is y minus 2x by y, where the initial condition is y of 0 equal to 1. So f of x comma y is given here, y minus 2x by y. Y of 0 equal to 1 means x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 1. And h value is okay. So first we need to find 0.1, then 0.2, and then here have 0. So 0, 0.1, 0.2. So you can easily see that the h value is 0.1. Otherwise, you can subtract from you can subtract 0.1 minus 0, that is 0.1. But there is no need to write like this. Just you can write h is equal to 0.1, because we know that here 0, here 0.1, here 0.2. So h should be 0.1. Okay, now x1 equal to x naught plus h. What is x naught? X naught is 0. So x1 equal to 0.1, and x2 is equal to x1 plus h. What is x1? x1 is 0.1. H is also 0.1. So x2 equal to 0.2. Okay. Now, so we need to find the values of y when x is equal to 0.1 and x is equal to 0.2. That is, we need to find y of 0.1, that is y1, and the y of 0.2, that is y2. Okay, to find y1, first you should take x naught equal to 0 and y naught equal to 1. So that is this value. Okay, uh, x naught equal to 0 and y naught equal to 1. Okay. So you should substitute n equal to 0 in the improved Euler's formula. So the improved Euler's formula, first you should substitute n equal to 0, you can get y1. So y1 equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. Okay, now first I am going to find f of x naught comma y naught value. Okay, please check it, the formula. So here we have plus. Okay, so now first I am going to find f of x naught comma y naught separately, and then I am going to find f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. Otherwise, even you can find this value and then this value separately. Okay, you can do by step. Okay, there is no need to do directly. Okay, so first I am considering f of x naught comma y naught. X naught is what? 0. Y naught is 1. So f of x comma y. What is f of x comma y? Y minus 2x by y. Y minus 2x by y. So here y is what? 1. So 1 minus 2 into x is 0 divided by 1. So f of x naught comma y naught, that is 0 comma 1 is 1. So this is 1. So next I am going to find x naught plus h. This value x naught plus h, and then I am going to find y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So x naught plus h. X naught is 0 and h is 0.1. So 0.1. So what is next? Y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. That is here. This expression. Y naught is 1, h is 0.1, f of x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. So already we calculated f of 0 comma 1. Okay, so you can use the value f of 0 comma 1 is 1. So simplify and get the value 1.1. Now f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. This whole expression is equal to, this value is 0.1, this value is 1.1. So again, y minus 2 into x by y. So I got this value. So now I got this value also. What is this value? 1. And I got this value, that is 0.91818. Next step, y1 equal to y naught. Y naught is what? 1 plus h is 0.1 divided by 2. Okay, and then 1 plus, okay, 1 is what? 1 is nothing but f of x naught comma y naught is 1. And this value is what? 0.91818. And then you simplify and get the value of y1. The same procedure to find the value of y2, but you can start from x. To find y2, you need x1 and y1. Okay, To find y2, you need x1 and y1. So x1 is 0.1 and y1 is just now we found. In the improved Euler formula, substitute n equal to 2, we get y2. Next, we should find f of x1 comma y1. That is f of 0.1 comma 1.095905, and you get these values. Next, x1 plus h, calculate x1 plus h, and then calculate y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1, and then calculate f of these parameters. So, okay, same procedure, that's why I'll skip. So finally, substitute in the formula, you'll get the value of y2. So if you have any doubts in these two columns, you can ask to me. Okay, so this is a practice problem using Euler's method. You should solve this problem using improved Euler method. You try to solve this problem. Okay, now I am going to give one problem to you. So try to get the answer for the problem. So take your calc. Solve the equation. Phi x into dy by dx plus y square minus 2 equal to 0. Y of 4 equal to 1 for y of 4.1 and y of 4.2. We are taking h is equal to 0.1 using Euler's method and improved Euler's method. This is a question. First, you need to find f of x comma y. So, f phi x into dy by dx is equal to 2 minus y square. So, dy by dx is equal to 2 minus y square by phi x. This is f of x comma y. Okay, now what is given? Y of 4 equal to 1. This implies x not equal to 4 and y not equal to 1. Okay, and we can easily find h value also. Okay, 4, 4.1, 4.2. So h value is 0.1. H value is 0.1. First, I am going to use using Euler's method. Euler's method. What is the formula for Euler's method? Please tell. yn plus 1.
yn plus 1 equal to
Ah.
yn plus H of f into xn comma yn.
Yes, correct. Okay. Good. Thank you. Okay, some comma y. Now substitute n equal to 0. You substitute n equal to 0, you get y1. So y1 means, actually y1 means y of x1 is y of x1 is what? X0 is 4. X0 is 4. X1 is 4.1. X2 is 4.2. So y of 4.1 is equal to y0 is 1. Y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. So y0 is 1, h is 0.1, f of x0 comma y0. X0 is 4, x0 is 4, x0 is 4, y0 is 1. So now 1 plus 0.1, f of x comma y, you know that this is 2 minus y is 1 square divided by 5 into 4. So using calculator, please tell the final value.
1.005.
1.005. Yes, correct. Okay. Similarly, find y2. So substitute n equal to 1 in the Euler formula, you will get y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Okay, now y2. Okay, y2 is nothing but y of x2. Y of x2 is y of 4.2. So we need y1 and x1. Okay, y1 is 1.005, which is 0.1 into f of x1 is what? X1 is 4.1. X1 is 4.1. y1 is 1.00, sorry, 205. So this is equal to 1.005 plus 0.1 into this is f. So the function is what? 2 minus y square. 2 minus y square divided by 5 into x, 5 into x, 5 into 4.1. So I need the final answer.
1.009829.
Okay, 1.0098. Okay, thank you. I think you can stop 4 decimal place is enough. You can write 6 decimal place also. Okay. So similarly, we need to find for modified improved. I think I'm asking improved ILS. Modified ILS is also there, but I don't give the formula for modified Euler. So next, write the improved Euler formula. Improved Euler formula. Okay. So please tell the formula first.
yn plus 1 equal to
Okay.
yn plus h by 2
Okay.
f of xn comma yn plus f of xn plus h
Okay.
comma yn plus h f of xn comma yn.
Whether this is correct, please check it. Once again, you will check it. If this is correct, then you can proceed. Find
Yes,
y.
sir.
Correct only, sir.
Okay, thank you. Find y1 and but there is a bracket here. Here it's by 2 f of xn comma y1 plus f of xn plus h comma yn plus h into f of xn comma y1. So actually, for here you have a bracket. For this bracket I have here, and for this bracket and one more bracket I need to do. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, now again you should substitute n equal to 0 now. Is y1 equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. For this bracket I have this bracket. For this one more and then one more. Okay, now we should find first f of x0 comma y0.
0.05.
0.05.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is actually f of x0 is what? X0 on the 4. 4. Y0 is 0. What is x0? X0 is 4 and y0 is 1. Y0 is 1. So what is the function? Function is 2 minus y square by 5x. 2 minus y square by 5 into x. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 is 0.05. Already in the previous calculation also you got this one. Okay, so that is 0.05. So next x0 plus h.
4.1.
x0 plus h. Yeah, 4 plus 0.1. Yeah, 4.1. And y0 plus h into y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. F of x0 comma y0. So what is y0? y0 1 plus 0.1 f of x0 comma y0. That is 4 comma 1. Please check it. 1 plus 0.1 into this is 0.05. Simplify and tell.
1.005.
1.005. Okay. So now, uh, now you should use these formulas in these results in the previous formula. Formula that is here. Y1 equal to Y naught. Y naught is 1 plus h by 2. H by 2. H is 0.1 divided by 2. F of x naught comma y naught is 0.05. 0.05 plus f of 4.1 comma 1.005. So any one of them tell what is f of 4.1 comma 1.005.
0.04829.
0.04829.
829.
Okay, thank you. And then I need the final answer.
1.004914.
Yeah, 1.0049 is the book answer, 4 decimal place. But you can write after this also, you can write. So similarly, find y2. Okay, similarly find y2, the same procedure. Anybody, if you got the value, just I will write it. Otherwise, I will proceed like this. Okay, so that's you need some time to do it. Okay, so okay, y2 so y2 equal to formula is what, y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 comma y1 f of x1 comma y1 plus f of
Sir, y2 equal to 1.00966.
please write, I will check it. Y2 equal to improved Euler 1.00966.
966.
Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so because the procedure is same, so that's why I leave it to you. Okay, so this is the final answer, and if possible, you can write in the of just put a table like this. Okay, table. Okay. Usually, examiners will check the final answer. Okay, so that's why you put the table like this. Then, so here you should write Euler's method. And then should split like this here. simple means a simple Euler method, and then here improved. Okay, here uh, here x value, this is x value, here y value. The x value is what, 4.1, 4.2. Here you should write corresponding y value. Okay, and here write corresponding y value. Okay. So now, actually, the next method is modified Euler method. Okay, improved Euler method over. Next method is modified Euler method. So just I will give the formula for modified Euler method, and then we will solve the problem in the next class. Modified procedure is same. Modified Euler's yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn plus h by 2, comma, yn plus h by 2 into f of xn comma yn. So this is the formula. So you can try the same problem. Same problem means the problem number 3. Problem number 3 for a modified Euler method. So here I solve only Euler's method and improved Euler method. You will try when you have free time. So using this formula, and you can check the answer coming Friday second hour. Coming Friday second hour. Instead of yesterday, I don't take the class. So that's why I'm going to take Friday second hour. But now, in the next 10 minutes, I am going to give a problem in numerical integration. Actually, I solved one problem partially in the classroom, but I have not completed that problem. That problem is a little bit different from the ordinary problem. Okay. Find the area common to the circle. Square plus y square equal to 4, and the ellipse x square plus 3y square equal to 6 by numerically integrating in the region by trapezoidal rule, using at least 6 ordinates. Using at least 6 ordinates. Okay, so first I should draw the diagram. Okay. What is this point? When y equal to 0, and y equal to 0, x square equal to 6. So x is equal to root 6. So this is root 6, comma 0. Okay, and this point is when x is equal to 0, 3y square equal to 6. So y square equal to 2, y equal to plus or minus root 2. So this is root 2, comma 0, comma root 2. Okay. And then circle with radius is 2. Radius is 2. Yeah. So 2 means is going like this. Okay, because root 6 is what? Root 6 is 2.449. 2.449. So circle is like this. Okay, but it is beyond the root 2. Okay, so it should go like this. So imagine it is a circle. நீங்க நோட் நல்லா அழகா போட்டுக்கோங்க. இவ்வளவுதான் வருது. Okay. So this is the circle. So this is the origin. Actually, find the area common to the circle and the ellipse. I think you can't see the common region. So I will share the common region, some other color. Okay. So now this is the common region. Now I am going to find the area of one region and multiply by 4 because due to symmetricity, I am going to find only the area of one region. Okay, first for this I am going to okay. So this point is F. This point is F, and this point, the intersection of circle and ellipse, I call this is D. So can you tell to solve this equation and tell what is x and y? X square plus y square equal to 4, and x square plus 3y square equal to 6. You will get 4 values. I know that because 4 intersection point. 4 intersection point. I need this D is lies in the first quadrant. So your X value and Y value should be positive. Or
Root 3, comma 1.
yes, root 3, comma 1. I think you don't solve. I think you just substitute and tell the answer. Is it correct? Okay. So anyway, this is the correct answer. Okay, root 3, comma 1. Okay. So you can easily check it here. Okay, if you substitute root 3 here, so 3 plus 1, 4. Here what? 3 plus 3 into 1. That is 3 plus 3, 6. So this point D is root 3, comma 1. Okay, now I'm going to draw the straight line here to x-axis. This line. Okay, this point is A. This point is A, and this point is B. This point is B. B is 2, comma 0 because the point B is on the circle. This arc from B to D, this arc is C. This arc is E. This arc is E. Okay. Now I'm going to write here required common area. Required common area equal to 4 times area of O, B, C, D, E, F, O. O, B, C is a arc, and D is a point, E is a arc, and F is a point, and then O. Now I'm going to split this area into 2 parts. 4 into area of OA, D, E, F, O. So area of OA, D, E, F, O plus area of A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, again A. This is D. C, D, A. This is not B, this is D. Okay. Now, the next page I am going to write. Okay. Otherwise, okay, it's better to write the next page. This is equal to 4 times, what is time now? Okay. 4 times integral 0 to root 3 y dx plus root 3 to 2 root 3 to 2 y dash into dx. So in the first region, you can check it. The first region, y varies from, sorry, x varies from 0 to root 3. Okay, x varies from 0 to root 3. Because in this region, A, O, A, D, I, F, A, here, if you take a strip horizontally, here x is 0, here x is what? Root 3. Okay. Next, and the second region, x varies from,
Sir,
yeah, please tell.
the answer is 10.2, sir.
Answer is Okay. No, no. But you need to do. You can't finish it. I think I got the book answer is 9.516. 9.15516. But you can send me how you. I don't know how you solve this problem quickly. I don't know. If
On
possible,
that day only I solved, sir.
the same procedure, huh?
You have taught this problem last two
Yes, yes,
classes.
yes. Two class before I started, but due to enough time, I just solved only partially. So I left to you, but I know that it is you can't do it. That's why again I take the problem. But now time is 9:45. So I will continue the same problem. You will try. You will try. I think only you only the remaining is left. Okay.
I got 10.2, sir, answer.
10.2. 10.2. 9.516. Okay. But I will take the photo of the solution and I'll send to you, and I will explain this problem in the next class also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Thank you.